bastards again.
Oh no, the morning announcements again. Hello everyone, 3 PM. Yeah, we have a museum.
Oh, bollocks, the fucking announcements. I'm such a nerd. It's a starfish.
Bubble. More behind. So many bubbles. It's probably seaweed. This one's probably a seaweed.
You reckon?
Okay, I have mails. I have mails. Happy Home Academy. Oh yeah, I got my home now.
Oh, good job.
Oh, my pockets are full. Oh no. I don't live in a tent anymore.
Hooray, you got storage in your house?
All my dreams are coming true.
Acorn barnacle.
Right, in a decoration mode, open storage. Okay. 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 Okay.
Oh, we got a runner.
Why are you running?
Why are you running?
What the fuck is that?
I mean,
Ooh, a turban shell.
do I even need a bed? Oh, you got all this. This is all storage. Oh my god, that's so good.
Oh, Bilbo, I can't wait for you to see my place, boy.
Wait, how do I? That's storage. It said. Oh, hang on. No, how do I put my stuff in storage now?
Do that by your inventory.
Inventory, yeah.
Are you streaming at the minute, you big dirty bitch?
Yeah, I am. Yeah. Oh, big dead bitch. Let me put this in storage. Put in storage.
Another runner.
I'm back, sorry. Like I said, my cell phone is very loud.
Oh, wow.
Just a bit.
Yeah, hey, it's my work cell phone. I don't want to miss a call, so.
I don't want to miss. Oh, I found a star fragment as well yesterday.
Nice! Look at you!
Yeah, that's from doing the wishing on the stars, like I told you.
Yeah, if there's wishing on stars, you can just keep wishing and you get more stars.
Bilbo, what the fuck are you wearing? Why the fuck do you look like this?
Oh, I was diving yesterday and I forgot to change out of it.
That's not what I'm talking about.
Oh, the Mario hat. What's wrong with that?
Does he have the mustache too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lauren gave it to
The
me.
cat's like,
no! She's gonna be really annoying
I give
today.
him the wizard stuff and then suddenly he's Mario Wizard.
Okay.
She's gonna be really annoying today because I have my laptop in my lap.
Start putting some of this stuff in the museum now. There's so much shit outside.
Are you finally got the museum?
Yeah.
good job. I'll be back in a sec, everybody.
Okay. I can move all these buildings eventually, right?
Yes.
Eventually you'll be able to move everything. Yeah.
Really? He's sleeping on the fucking... Oh, this museum is big! Woo!
He's an owl, Bilbo. He's sleeping.
Hey, Nacreous. When I enter to the left or right in the basement, each one leads to exhibit room. Yes! Mobilization is at once.
I'm working on getting my queue down.
The queue?
How do I like block or stop somebody's stream?
What do you
Who are you
mean?
trying to block? Is that showing up like you don't want any info about it?
Well, no, I just don't want it to take resources because I have limited,
Oh,
resources.
I don't know.
No clue. Good
Oh, if they're
question.
streaming on Discord, you mean? Oh, if you right-click their name, you should be able to block the video.
Disable video. Thanks.
Perfect. It's actually very good to know because it's very distracting sometimes. No offense.
Yo.
I love you
Hello.
guys to
Turn
death.
your video off.
What? Oh.
Nobody wants to see your big bitch face.
Wow.
Oh, it's streaming.
Okay.
No, I just know that. I know that Rimos has issues. So.
Yeah.
Oh. That's a good point.
Aw, they missed their tomato chutney wasn't in their account in their fucking food bag. That's sad. Fucking tomato chutney sounds really fucking good. Although I can't eat tomatoes.
Whose fault's that then?
So you can't eat tomatoes. Why do you do this?
I didn't order it. It's a customer that ordered
No,
it.
but like, what happens if they don't get it delivered? Whose fault's that?
Where's the fucking proof?
No, it happens. It happens quite a lot actually.
Where's the fucking proof?
Oh my god,
It's
this...
hard, yeah. Where's the proof of it not being there? Are you supposed to take a picture of an empty hand?
yeah, with tears in their eyes.
What's your plan here?
I ordered a bottle of vodka. The bottle didn't arrive. I got everything else, just not this bottle of vodka.
Do you have a receipt saying that you...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. Here is the receipt for the bottle of vodka that I did buy, and I didn't just stash in my fucking cupboard.
Exactly.
But I didn't get this. I didn't get my bottle of vodka.
Look, the point is, you can't prove it. You gotta take them by fucking face value for that. I'm sorry. It's true. It sucks. But you gotta take them at face value.
I'll go out then. Who wants to drink? Drinks from me. I'm gonna buy us all a bottle. Well, I don't know what happened. I like the last 5 times this bottle's arrived, but it's not arrived. Can you send me a third bottle again?
I'm gonna move my tangerine back to the island while I'm working.
Tashari.
The good thing is, right, today, that all I need to do is keep an eye on the sheet, keep an eye on the queue, and keep an eye on my phone. That's my only things I need to do today. If the phones and the mails are quiet, then it's an okay day. But on Sundays, the phones usually are okay.
In this house, the mail is never quiet. For I am the mail and I'm a noisy bitch.
Yeah, but usually when the fucking phone call comes, the phone call's on Sunday. Are you gonna call customer support on Sunday?
Yes.
Yes.
Then
That's
you're
fine.
one of those fucking...
If I know they're open, yeah. I mean,
Oh.
Mickey, guess what?
hello.
Love you. We're all playing Animal Crossing.
Oh my god! Aren't you? I opened my
Yes.
All my
Yes.
characters are dead. I'm living in a hovel now.
In a hovel?
Hey, I'm the only person that lives in a hovel right now.
Anyone can live in a hovel, Bilbo. It's not a race thing.
Oh my god, Blathers, stop falling asleep.
Blathers is adorable and he's the best of all of us.
He's not. He's scared of
You,
everything.
his sister's better.
Okay, sister's better, I agree.
Yeah.
He's just got really tense all of a sudden.
Oh, shit, you tell.
Ted.
Oh, see, Mickey's online! Yeah, bitch, yes! Mickey,
I
I'm
don't-
diving for fishes.
I don't see a Mickey online.
You'll have me.
Hey, but why don't I see you online? Why is that?
I
Do you
am.
not
I already
accept
do.
my
I have
fuck-
accepted it. I have accepted
What?
it. Yeah.
Why is it not up?
Why I
updated?
accepted it like on stream so you can go back and check the VOD, man.
It's not done it for me though.
No, you know, you can go check the VOD is a powerful comeback, honestly.
Why have you not given me? Is it because I probably need to like close and re-open my game or something?
Nah.
If you guys hear my phone go really loud, I'm incredibly sorry. I'm trying to figure out a good volume for it where I can still hear it. And where I won't go deaf as fuck.
Hello, Vampy.
Hey Wendy, do you want me to trial it with you. I can ring it.
Wait,
off
what?
mine.
You just froze
Hell
my
no.
game. How the hell did you? What?
Wait, you could just keep me on the line forever, couldn't you?
How did I freeze your game?
My game froze for a second. That was weird.
Oh no!
Oh, let's test that theory. shall we?
No! No. No, it must have been when I did the room. It's good now. All the sounds crackling. I don't know if it's just my
Crackle
end.
your pot.
You crackle my what?
Console battery low. Let's plug this bitch in. Stuck it in the thing. Oh yeah, stuck it
Did
in.
you just sit next to me and fart? Are you serious?
There's a butty watty fly.
You can sit on my lap.
Oh no, my net broke. Liam for mayor. Ha ha.
Oh, so
Yo.
when are we all going to raid Bilbo's Island?
Not right now because I can't do
Take
stuff
all
with
his
people on
trees.
my islands.
Let me in.
You'll be able to play his game properly there.
Take all his trees and his
Too bad.
entire
Take pictures
existence.
instead.
Pictures.
I'm going to dig a hole outside of everybody's house so they may never leave.
Liam, do you want to go to my island?
Oh yeah, bitch, yeah. Let me see your stuff.
Our island's cool, man.
I mean, mine's pretty fucking poggers.
How about you?
Oh.
I didn't even know you had the game, so.
Of course I do, so. It's the
Oh,
only Switch game I own.
You wanted to be included when we started playing it.
I really did.
That's the gist of it, honestly.
You're letting him tell you about snails.
yeah, I realized I pressed the wrong button. I was like, damn it! No! That's the wrong button.
You silly sausage.
I love you, my baby. Yes, I do.
Love you too!
I love my cat.
That's what you say.
I love you. I love you. You are my sunshine, my only
Please tell me I
sunshine.
can. Yeah, more than one fossil. There we go.
You make me happy. My eyes are red.
Wow.
No, that's not how the song goes.
My dart clutches again.
Okay, then Satan, calm down.
No, mummy, don't do it again. Don't do it, mummy. I'll be a good boy.
Oh my
I'll be a good boy, I
God.
promise.
God.
No, mummy, don't.
And that took a dark turn.
It's how the song be.
Yeah, he's
Which really upsets me because apart from that bit, I love the song. That bit's just like.
I'm fine now.
Alright. Time to go grab the dodo over the counter, tell him to close the fucking gates, and then I can go.
Drag
Donate
him
my
over the
stuff.
counter
Yes,
like a
Mickey.
fucking gutted chicken.
It's
Okay, you can't sit on my paper, honey. That's my paper. I need that.
Oh, I forgot Pokemon's a thing, isn't it? I keep forgetting.
Yeah.
I forgot Pokemon's a thing.
No, I mean I forgot about the
25
game
year
on here.
anniversary. I forgot Pokemon's a thing.
I'm way more interested in Skyward Sword first. I'm not Skyward Sword.
Ugh.
Fucking Breath of the Wild. That's it.
Ugh,
What?
it's alright.
Breathe
Oh,
on
my-
your
To
wild
be
one.
fair, it was a very, very good opening game for the Switch. It was a very strong opener.
Oh my god! Look at this. It's so cool.
It's just a bit of water with the fishes.
Hey, my gate is open.
Okay,
I
I'll be coming over
waddle
shortly.
into the distance. I waddle, 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 waddle.
Look at this bitch. Look how she waddle.
I'm playing my giant tangerine again.
We all sit on the giant
And
tangerine.
tangerine. The giant tangerine. The giant tangerine.
We
Well,
all sit
Technically,
on
this
the...
thing is big enough for you to ride. Yeah, it's an IKEA table that moves essentially.
Yo, this place is massive.
I'll show you a Mahusi's place.
Good thing is this game has auto walking, so I can check my mails and everything, and then you know.
You know what else has auto walking? Animal Crossing.
You know what else has auto walking? Your face when I fucking rub it on the carpet.
Oh my god.
You're gonna rub my face into your carpet, okay?
No, I don't have a carpet.
Oh,
Oh my god.
I'm gonna fucking slam your face on the floor and give your carpet burns.
oh my! I just saw Bilbo said that on his own stream.
On his own stream! Look at this nasty man!
Well, saying that, I haven't had a carpet burn since I was a kid.
This nasty boy!
That shit hurts. Oh look, you can even get. Oh, that's cool.
Honestly, carpet burn's one of the worst things.
Look at these dinosaurs.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, now that shit is
Yay.
cool. That shit is cool, Bilbo.
The dinosaur stuff, please.
Let me go open your stream.
I've already left it now. I want to go.
Huh?
I left the area now. I'm just looking in the museum at all the fossils and stuff. Pretty cool. I like it.
I have like 8 fossils.
Oh my
and
god, why do you look like
all this
Mario?
Because it's a me.
Lauren.
I hate him, I hate him, I hate him.
Oh, by the way, Vampy, have you got all of the fossils?
Yeah, I already did it.
Oh, Poggith, okay.
Oh, there's a
missing some.
beehive. Oh, there's a worm. Oh wait, can I?
I've got all these.
Oh no, do spiders? No, I ain't catching a spider for that shit.
You need to, though, Bilbo.
Dude, those things that come out of the tree on the string freak me the fuck out. Because I thought that was a spider.
Yeah. The spider's there too, yeah, sometimes.
Not everything on a string is a spider, Bilbo. Don't be so
He's
specious.
not wrong. One of the things that dangles on the string is a bagworm.
Yeah. It's a worm in a bag.
A bigger bag of worms.
Right.
Well, later.
So is there an easier way to store all my outfits?
Yes.
In your house.
No, but like, he's like, okay.
But as for
The
actual...
dress, you know the changing thing I gave you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make outfits on that if you have a wand, and you can change outfits like I was doing.
Oh, I can't make ones yet, I don't think.
Yeah, I can give you one, but I didn't think you wanted
No,
to.
no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm learning. I like the fact that it gives me something to do every day, man. It's relaxing.
Just wait till you run out of things to do. And then
Yeah,
you begin the time skips.
Yeah, but no, the thing is, it suits me perfectly because as people pointed out.
Why have you got a magic in the doorway of your
Ah, no!
Are you really questioning him?
How do I rotate this shit?
Yes. Hold
Grab it,
and then
hold it.
flick the thumbstick sideways.
Oh, bollocks.
Like grab
Okay.
hold it.
Right, hang on.
Hold it and twist.
Like a no.
Oh, there we go. Got it. It's fine. It's the right way now. Right, I need to get rid of all this shit in my house.
Yes. Put it in your storage, man.
Yeah, you can put all that in your.
There we go. Eh. Yeah, now I can. I didn't have storage before. You know what? That's a good excuse next time I have to clean up. I was going to clean up, but my pockets were full. I'm sorry.
Yeah, right.
I hate how you look even more now, actually. Please go back to Mario.
What?
I'll be honest, I kind of prefer that to the Mario thing.
You prefer this to the Mario thing?
Yeah.
Why does he have a shower in his corner and that's it?
That's not a shower.
Changing room.
It looks like a shower. I agree. It does look like a shower. Oh, no.
Yes. No.
I hate that dumb hat. I hate that dumb
No!
hat. I hate that dumb hat.
Yes, the
Alright.
wizard.
Vampy, I'm coming.
She's a wizard,
Okay.
Harry.
He's a gay wizard.
I gave him
A
a whole
gizzard.
wizard outfit
A
because I
gizzard,
thought it
yeah.
was funny.
Yeah, I like
Yes.
it.
He's got fucking glasses.
I don't know if I like the glasses, Vampy, not gonna lie.
Well,
you-
I didn't have
What the fuck did it
beard.
hang over there for?
Yeah.
What the
That's
hell?
where it goes now. Even the game is like, please never wear this thing again.
Do we tell him the button or no?
No. Let him figure it out.
Well, fine.
Why do you have a fucking wasp hive in your apartment?
This is. Oh my god, this was a tent a minute ago. Okay, I had no room.
Why did you have it in your tent?
Why did you have it in your... Because he doesn't have storage in a tent, that's why.
You guys are mean.
Yeah.
Wait, why is he not put it on the wall? Wait, where'd it go? What? Did I just eat it?
Yeah, you ate it.
I know I put it in storage, didn't I? Okay.
Yeah, you did.
There we go.
Storage is good. I like storage.
Yeah, this.
Storage makes me very happy.
Well, should I put it in?
He's coming.
Coming up.
Coming up, so you better get this party started.
I'm coming up. Well, I'm coming.
I'm full of rubbish.
What?
What?
I heard someone in the background. It sounded like a
Yeah, I
sniper.
heard Mike going, I'm full of
I found
rubbish.
a trubbish.
No, I got a shiny trubbish,
Oh,
Ow. Why you gotta...
and I called it rubbish.
Vampy, your place is fucking beautiful.
Vampy's place is like an actual town, and our places are just like... not.
I mean, I do like how mine looks.
Like, I like how mine looks, but I also kind of like completely redo it.
I think about that, and I just think back to Chris and Chris's many
I think
troubles.
back to fucking Vale, completely restarting their fucking
oh,
island.
these guys got a
I
house
could
too.
move
I
all
think-
the people to a corner and then redo the residential district, I guess.
I think back to Vale and the fact that they did not start until a month after the game had been released
Yeah.
because they were constantly resetting.
Yeah. I think that's honestly the first thing I think about too if I think of Vale.
Flowers. So, do I just pick the flowers and sell them?
You can do that if you want to,
no.
or you can keep some.
You say water them?
Or sprint over them and break them, that's also fine.
Or plant them in a place that's more convenient.
Yeah, I like it where
I
Vampy's
planted them
planted.
all around his square look, that's why he's got flowers all around the
Yeah, it
outside.
looks
Ah.
nice.
He does know that there's gonna be a building in the back of there, right?
Oh, wait on. So you see, since the moment.
It's nowhere near that.
Wait, did I pay for everybody else's houses as well? What the fuck?
Yeah, well, about that.
No, but well, you
Yeah,
gave him money,
economy.
now he's using your money to do this.
Your phone is pink. Have a bat phone.
No, bat phone. Oh, you do? Oh, it's got your little logo on it.
Yeah, you can make a custom phone cover using the design.
Oh, that's cute.
Okay, my home will not be getting a reward, I can tell you that.
Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't.
Your new home loan, that'll be
Apparently it's been here for a while.
98,000 bells. Can I pay in miles? Ah.
Look how cute you are. You want a bubble blow? Oh my god, please do not. For the latex suit.
Work. My dress.
Oh, island hopping adventures.
I should give him some of my mile tickets, huh? I got like 200.
I'm fine.
Key.
You don't
Oh.
understand, it's a gacha
Oh,
game.
limited use.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, each one's a one use, which is annoying, but they're really cheap from the shop.
Hog.
I got a lot of them. I think Vampy got a shit ton of them too.
Oh, I have like plenty in storage because I sold villagers the tickets. I don't know.
I'm never gonna pay off my debt. I'm never gonna pay it. I'm just gonna leave it. What the
Yeah, but
fuck
then you're
is
never
that?
gonna get a bigger house.
You can say your
I
house
don't
will never
know.
upgrade.
That raccoon will come after you.
Yeah, the raccoon will come after you and then sell your kidneys on
So
the
should I
black
start
market.
paying it off already, or just wait till I have the complete amount?
It's up to you, honestly. Oh, I heard a cat.
No.
Yeah, you can look at the
Was
market
that
price now,
baby?
bring
No.
Was that baby?
I no longer have baby.
Oh no.
Knock Miles ticket.
It's okay. You can have 2 more babies now.
I have.
If you wanted to.
You can have 18 babies now.
Yeah, but he's only.
Very good. I get rid of the point. Hoping that you might be interested in collaborating on a new venture. Building a new shop. Do I look like Moneybags? What the fuck?
Yeah. Yes, this game you do.
Vampy is a doll.
Uh-huh. I have loads of different dogs in different colors.
Pet the doll.
Is it a turtle? A turtle's not a dog. I hate to inform you.
No, it's the actual dog.
Okay, that's a dog.
Okay, what materials you need? Okay.
I want to buy a soda.
Cause I want to rebuild my entire, what is it, the plaza where my people live. I want to make it a bit bigger. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Vampy, you don't have the Yule log.
I want them all to have their little garden.
Oh.
I replaced it with the first one.
I still like the idea of having, what is it, a river, like splitting up like the town into like living area and like left and right. But I want to extend more backwards so they all have a garden.
I want to start dreaming about these voices at some point.
Yeah, no, it's horrid.
Yep. Me and Catherine had that happen. No, that's all we would hear for the entire summer. And then the whole walking and the trees.
And then the eating of food going like.
Soundboards.
But I need to bring this guy some wood and stuff, apparently. I think I have some in storage. Let me go.
You know what also gave me PTSD? The sound when Dodo Airlines takes off. I went to so many islands looking for specific villagers.
I want a bunny. I need to find a bunny.
A bunny? I don't think there's bunnies.
There is.
There
According
are.
to that bit.
Oh yeah, there are bunnies. You're right. I just remember O'Hare.
Patches?
Why do you have a Yule log on the floor?
Because someone gave it to me. Look. Do I need to mention my room problem again?
Yes, please.
Don't be
I like to
mean.
hear suffering.
Oh wait, I can move the. Oh, I can move stuff around easier this way. Why no one tell me?
He found the button!
Button!
Found the button!
That was the button Liam was
You
talking
guys
about. I
are
was like, should we
mean.
tell him about the button? We're like, no.
What do you mean we're
I
mean?
rearranged the room without actually picking it. The happy home designer version of it, yeah.
Honestly, we just want you to, also explore stuff without spoiling it for you.
Yeah, you
I'm
said you
enjoying
didn't want us to carry you through the game.
No, but I know, but I don't want people. I don't mind getting costumes and stuff. But I don't want like materials and stuff that I'd have to gather myself.
No, I'm not gonna give you like all my money that I have in gold.
But I want.
I got like several. I got several million gold
What?
in.
What do you mean, what the fuck?
There's so many!
Yeah, I picked all of them yesterday and I sold. Actually, no, it was just today. And they just regrow, so I just keep selling.
No, my axe broke.
There's so fucking many!
Yeah,
Everything breaking.
I need to get some.
Oh yeah,
for the
I
nuts.
do hate that the golden tools break.
I'm going.
Yeah, Vampy was moaning about that. I remember.
I'm going to come to your home.
Nope. My.
Because of the
Did you get all the fruits that you need?
crafting.
Yeah, I think we planted most of
Yeah.
them. Yeah.
But the only thing I allow myself to do is plant some flowers for him and give him fruit, so he had everything, so he can make money.
Yeah. Well, fruit he has to trade with other people anyway, because otherwise he can't get it. That's a genuine thing he has to do in the game, otherwise he can't get all the fruit.
Well, I could just go to an island and steal.
No, not all the. You won't find all the fruits that way. You only have like your native fruit, the one that your mom sends you, and then you have the island fruit.
Yeah, I can't believe my mum sent me fruit, man.
What were you have cherries as your native fruit? What was
Yeah.
the fruits your mom sent you?
Cherries was his native, I think mom sent him pears.
Yeah, mum sent me pears.
I got 0, so I got
You
I
wanted
got
butts?
butt fruit. I was happy with butt fruit.
I had apples.
Apples
Well,
and
happy
pears
with-
get
no,
the
wait.
fuck up the stairs.
I had oranges in my native and apples given to me by my mom.
Wait, I have to water all these plants one by one,
Yes.
even if they're fully
Until you
grown.
get a better one.
Yes.
Like,
Yes, if you water them, you see they have like a little droplet effect. Well, you won't really see it on these. Go water one of the the grown ones. That red one there.
Liam, what
Oh,
are you
yeah, I
doing
see
back
it.
there?
Yeah.
Watching.
This means they're watered.
What are you watching?
They get a little glimmer.
This is watching.
oh, these balloons taught me, man.
Yeah, you don't have a slingshot.
Yeah, how
do
long do
you?
you get the slingshot? It take long.
It does take a bit to get the slingshot.
I can literally like jump and reach that for fuck's sake.
Just use your stick.
Can I use my
Whack it a
stick?
few times. No,
Come here.
you can't. That would be really funny, but you can't.
Get out of there. What are you doing back here? Get out of here.
Get out of here!
Oh. Oh. I'm assuming that's me. Find out.
I don't like Renee. She's sassy, man.
You don't like Renee?
Look in
She's
general.
she's
So who are
sassy.
your villagers? You have Renee.
Renee and the monobrow
It's
guy.
got Lyman, which is the unibrow koala.
Oh, that's rough.
Chips. No, everything's breaking.
I have one that I can still swap out, which is Wolfgang. What is his name? The old wolf.
Wolfgang! I love that
Maybe it's the old
bitch!
Yeah, I do have him.
I stole my Wolfgang.
I need to
If you
find.
want him, Liam, I can maybe work out later if I can get him to move. If you want Wolfgang.
Honestly, I can't be arsed with the whole hassle of going through all that stuff.
Understandable.
There's hassle or hassle?
I have all the villagers that I really, really like in my town, and my favorite is Julia. Is one of my favorites.
Julia.
What do you mean by hassle?
Hello. Hassle.
Hello.
It's just a chore.
Yeah. There's a lot of shit you have to go through in order to do that.
What else did I need to pour in that?
We should
You
probably
need
get out of
a
here.
wet bucket with a spout. Fuck, do I leave? Oh, there we go. Zoom. Let's go get this bitch.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Attack! Attack!
I'm still eating little donuts from Dunkin' Donuts, by the way.
How are they?
They're fucking good.
I can't
Dunkin'
do.
Donuts is good for a day or two, actually. It's good. I like it.
I can't donate anything to his shop because I can't get the stuff he needs.
What does he need?
I don't know. How do I check? It feels like wood that I can't get yet. Is it hardwood he needed?
From the trees, that's for using your flimsy axe.
Yeah, but how do I check what he needed again?
These, oh, Vampy, these are so cute, these little tents. What the fuck?
Stop.
Oh yeah, they were part of the Christmas stuff. There's like 6 or 8 colors of them. And I've got most of them. And the dogs and the dinosaurs and stuff. They're all like toys from Toy Day.
Oh,
That's why you need to keep playing, you know.
Where's my Mickey at?
We're at the plaza, the square.
Anything is unlocked.
To the
Oh,
left side.
I found a guy in the water yesterday and I gave him a clam.
Oh, you found, yeah.
And then he gave me a mermaid.
Otter.
The tents come in pink, black, blue and white stripes, floral, and then I've got dark blue as well.
I also found a ghost as well.
Coral, so cute.
There is
Apparently-
also a white one, and I think another one, but I haven't trading. I got all the dogs though. I got all the dog colors.
Here.
They're all scattered around my island.
But why does it have a counter when I eat at the top of the screen?
Because you can only eat 10
Because that is
fruits
the
at
amount of
once.
fruit you can use, not the break thing.
Oh.
So if you hit a rock now, it would break it, rather than knock it
Oh.
out of it.
What about a tree?
Liam, come back! Liam!
What?
It will chop down the tree.
That way.
No?
Oh.
The tree, you have to have a sharp axe, you don't got the blunt one.
Oh yeah, then it doesn't work, yeah.
God damn it.
But the fruit is used for digging up trees rather than...
True, you can dig
So
up
if
trees
you-
that way.
Ooh.
Yeah, if you used a shovel now, you would dig up the tree rather
Yeah.
than...
Don't worry, what is it? Oh, there's money there. Look.
Money? Oh, yeah.
So if you dig that up, you can bury money there again, and you
Yeah,
get
I've
triple
been
what you
doing
bury
that,
back.
Oh, bollocks, you know.
Nope.
Oh, really?
He's really good at this game, guys.
I don't want to talk about it.
We do.
There we go.
Are we comparing outfits here?
Vampy's about to fucking slay.
Vampire always plays.
Wings! The rotted corpse of God! Mickey!
Tell my favorite color for all outfits.
I too like yellow.
Wow, I want to get rid of this fucking tree in front of my house.
No, I love how this goes in general, like in our chat. Weather site reporting to you today from way up high. The breeze has picked up a bit harder now than it would seem, and I see
Oh
some
my-
clouds forming in the sky. And then I immediately go, I stole a mermaid's bra.
What's wrong, Mickey?
What's wrong with you?
Is that in the other Discord or are you in Beast of Buda?
Beast of Bermuda.
Oh.
It's a good game to play while you're working, you know? You're just sitting there anyway. So.
Oh god, that was great. I love that.
There we go. I finally got rid of that tree in front of my house. Oh.
Okay. Let's just
There
look
we
on
go.
one with the wet.
Oh, a fossil.
Fossil!
Oh
I
no.
want
Oh,
the
no.
to be wet.
Mickey, you ready to get
Wet.
wet?
Oh, I have
Yay!
I want to turn my little island into a fucking city, man. I have skyscrapers and shit.
Whee!
Oh, penis, there was stuff